Welcome to Oxygen Gray. In this tutorial, we will go through how you can generate a t-shirt mockup with a design on top. And we will also go through how you can generate a black t-shirt mockup, full sleeve t-shirt mockup with designs on side sleeves too. So let's get to the tutorial. Click on the gallery, click on the plus icon here to generate a new canvas, and click on the small icon here and select the width and the height to 4000 pixels. Click on create option. Now I generally like the canvas to be light gray instead of a pure white, so I'm gonna change it from this background color option. Okay, now if you already have a t-shirt mockup, you can import it from the file around here, insert a photo or insert a file. But if you don't, you can get it from the link in the description. We have created this brush stamps pack. It comes with 20 t-shirt mockups with front and back view. Okay, let's just choose the heavyweight tee for now. Okay, change the color to black and just tap it once to get it on the canvas. Click on the pointer option and size it like you want. Okay, now we want to duplicate this layer, and we name the layer, the top layer, main layer. Main, just name it main, and swipe left and lock the layer. Now the bottom layer, we will name it mockup. Okay, now we want to, when we want to change the color, there are like two processes. One is changing one by one, just like this, but that is time consuming and not very efficient. What you want to do is click on the, I will show you one easy method. Click on the layers and just above, select the mockup layer, and just above the mockup layer, create a new layer by clicking on the plus and bring that layer below the mockup layer. Rename it color and select the color you would want the mockup layer to be. We can always change the color of the mockup, by the way. I'll show you later in the video. And just drag it here and it will cover the whole of the canvas. Okay, now we want to remove this part of the color because we just want the color on the t-shirt. So click on the layers and we want to merge the mockup layer and the color layer for now. Okay, click on the mockup layer and select the option merge down. So you will have this this complete color layer. Now select the option, this one. Make sure the automatic and add is selected. Okay, click here once. Okay, make sure the color is not coming out of this t-shirt. If it is, what you can do is click once and go left. Okay, all right, just make sure it's perfect. Sometimes the color come out of the borderline and we just want to make sure it doesn't. Okay, now select the pointer option here and just drag it outside of the canvas and you will have this beige blue t-shirt mockup. Now click on the color layer option and choose the option and alpha lock it. Okay, so what if you want to change the color of the mockup to any color, any another color, you can select the, let's say we choose the dark blue. What you can do is you will have this airbrush. Okay, you can choose any brush. I just think using soft brush it's easier to change the color of the mockups, so I'm going to choose soft brush. Okay, and just gonna increase the size to 100 and then just color it. And this is how you can change the color of the mockup to any color you want. Okay, let's just undo it. Okay, now let's say you want an acid wash effect on this mockup. What you can do is click on the layers, click on generate a new layer above the color layer, and select the color little grayish kind of thing. Okay, now click on the brush library. I'm just gonna go with the painting default one. You will also have this brush in your Procreate. It's default, so I'm gonna just go with the check brush option, and just make sure it's clipped. If you don't clip the this layer to the color layer, what we'll do is it will go outside of this t-shirt, and we don't want that. So click on it and click on the clipping mask. Let's just rename it acid wash for now. Okay, now you can start adding the white acid wash effect, okay, where you want it. If you want a little more here, you can just do it, color it more. Okay, now select the smudge tool and just increase the size and the opacity to your choice, and just go from left to right. Okay, and just start merging the layer with the bottom layer. If you want more anywhere, you can always this looks good for now. If you want more, you can again go to the brush and add a little more. Okay, and then again go to the smudge tool and just merge it with the bottom layer. Okay, this looks good for now. I think I overdid it, but you get the idea, right? Okay, if you want to, if you overdone it, it's okay. You can choose the eraser option and decrease the opacity. Just erase it where you don't want it, and again click on the smudge tool and you can merge that with the bottom layer, right? And if you don't want the acid wash effect to show, you can just unhide it from here and it will just go away. Okay, now let's say you want to put a design on the t-shirt. What you can do is click on the new layer and select this tool option where you can insert a file, insert a photo. I usually airdrop my photos from my laptop and it comes on the photo gallery. But if you have your design in the file, you can choose the insert a file option. I'm just gonna go with insert a photo. I'm gonna choose the design which I've already made, and then I'm gonna put it on the t-shirt mockup. Okay, now about the saving part, if you want to save this mockup, what you can do is click on the layers option here. If you want it without the background, hide this background, click on the icon here, and you can go for share. I usually airdrop back to my laptop and create a tag pack from this kind of mockups. Okay, now we're just gonna delete this layer again. Okay, if you want a full sleeve black t-shirt mockup like this, what you have to do is It's the same process, it's a little bit of different. I'll show you. Click on the plus icon to create new canvas. Same option, 4000 for the width. Click on create, and I'm just gonna select, go to the t-shirts, just gonna select the full sleeve t-shirt one. Okay, size 863, and select the color black. Just tap it once and resize it like the previous one. Okay, okay, now what you want to do is, if we color black, what will happen is it will merge down with the border and we won't be able to see the mockup properly. So what we have to do is, first of all, duplicate the layer, the mockup layer, and rename the top layer again to main. Okay, and then just lock the layer, and below layer, okay, rename it mockup. Perfect. Okay, now click on the plus button here to generate a new layer above the main layer. Select the border of the select the color which you want the border of this t-shirt mockup to be. Okay, I usually go with the light grayish when it's just pure black mockup. Okay, and just drag it down here. Now clip it below the main layer, and we will have this grayish looking borderline. Okay, now just for the black mockup, I usually go with the simple process. I just go and drag and drop. If it's, this is only I do it only when it's just pure black mockup. Just gonna go with coloring each and every parts, and the center I'm gonna go with little light. Sorry. Okay, this looks good for now. I'm just gonna change the background layer to little gray. Okay, one part is left. Just gonna go over here. Okay, perfect. Now same process. We click on the mockup layer, create new layer, clip that layer, so when we import the design, it doesn't go out of this black t-shirt mockup. Click on this icon, insert a photo, and just adjust the size. Okay, now for the sleeves part, click on this icon, the layers one, click on the new layer option, click on insert a photo, and import your sleeves file. Okay, make sure it's clipped down. Now click on the pointer icon here, and then let's just size it like we want. You can always rotate it using this green icon here. I usually use my fingers to do it. Okay, and place it like here. Now what you will see is this part of design comes on the center part too, and we want it removed. So click on the layers, make sure this layer is selected, the left design, and click on the eraser option. Under the eraser option, click on the airbrush and select soft brush, and then just it is the part of the I'm just gonna go with the opacity 100 and size 4. Then just start erasing the part of the design which is messing with your center design. Okay, and this is how you will have this left slide design. Now if you want the same, if you have a different design on the right, you can do it same, import a file and then put it on the right side of the sleeve. But if you want the same side, you don't need to do the same thing. Click on duplicate layer. Okay, select this pointer option and then just click on flip horizontal and then just drag it to a point where it's similar to the left sleeve design. Okay, and this is how you can generate simple t-shirt mockups for your clothing brand. If you have any question, please let me know in the comments, and please check out the product. We have made a t-shirt pack for you guys. It's actually cool. It has variety of t-shirts ranging from boxy t-shirt to full sleeve t-shirt, and I don't think you need to find any other t-shirt vector mockups pack. We've got it all covered. Okay, see you in the next part. In the next part we'll discuss how you can create a good hoodies pack. So yeah, if you like the video, please give it a like and please subscribe if you want more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.